performance and personal symbolism. The Chief Hélà crown jewel by Kyrie Irving and ANTA debuts August 2nd for $125. Dressed in midnight purple, the shoe pays homage to amethyst ceremonial beads worn by tribal chiefs, signifying spiritual leadership. Flowing tassels reflect traditional headdresses, while the rugged, earth-textured outsole anchors the design in ritualistic meaning. First revealed by WNBA star Brittney Sykes at the 2025 All-Star Game, the pair intertwines high-level basketball function with Kyrie's exploration of his maternal lineage. The crown chakra symbol on the tongue represents mental clarity and higher awareness, mirroring Kyrie's approach to both life and game. Named after the sacred title Hélà, discovered during his personal heritage journey, this sneaker carries deep ancestral roots. Bold and thoughtful, the crown jewel offers court-ready performance and cultural resonance,